Show it to everyone. Found the pudding. Now we need cake mix. So there's this organic instant coffee, which there isn't a lot in here, so this could work really well. I'm gonna use this one. Most of it. You want this one? Yeah. I think that's perfect. Oh, you want to see too? Okay, so we got celery salt, so now we need smoked paprika. That was the other weird one. Now all we need is Hawaiian chips and cottage cheese. Show everyone what you're getting. Those are vital for this snack. Small curd, cottage cheese, the red.
Because red.
Do you want to go get a Starbucks drink or no? You want to get a frappuccino? All right. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. This is my guest star today, this precious thing right here. What's your first and middle name?
Crimson.
What's your middle name?
Odessa.
And your YouTube channel, because she has a YouTube channel now, is Crimson Odessa. So today we are in the kitchen. We are going to make different random fun foods and treats that are all, well except for one, they're all TikTok trends that everyone seems to love, and we have to try it out. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna be doing 3 different food items, and then one is a drink. One of the things that we are going to be snacking on today is something that I love to snack on, that I've loved for years and years, that my sister showed me, and I want to get other people on it because it tastes so good. And she's never tried it, so you're gonna try Mommy's favorite snack today.
Okay.
It's not ice cream. I'm not telling you. Anyway, you guys, this is what we're doing today. We are just baking, we're cooking, we're snacking. We're gonna have so much fun. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, go over to Crimson Odessa's YouTube and subscribe to her. I will link it down below. And at the end of this video, if you enjoyed it, we would love for you to give it a thumbs up. We would really appreciate that as well. So without further ado, let's start baking. So the first thing we did before we even started to make this is I preheated the oven to 350 degrees.
Oh my God, your cake is so good. And then they're always shocked when I tell them that it's from a box. It's literally a box of cake mix with one special ingredient. How do you get this most delicious cake ever? All you do is add in 1 large box of pudding, chocolate pudding for chocolate cake, vanilla pudding for vanilla cake, make it exactly like the box says, and there you go. Just try it, you'll thank me later.
So we're gonna use this one because they didn't have like a basic just chocolate cake mix. We completely forgot that we have a KitchenAid. First ingredient, 1 1/4 cup of water. Now we need 1/2 cup of oil, 3 eggs, it's time to add the pudding. So we got our pudding. Good job. Perfect. Let's mix it up. All right, turn it on. Let's mix her up. No! It's okay, it's okay. And we're using an 8x8 and it only gives you instructions for 13x9 or 2 8-inch rounds or 2 9-inch rounds. So I'm gonna go with the time it says for the 2 8-inch round pans, and I'm gonna do 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, we gotta try it first.
Oh yeah.
You had chocolate all over you. That was good.
Yeah, it's good.
Strike a pose. We're blurry again. Okay, so we're pouring the cake now, or I guess Crimson is. Mom's just gonna help you a little bit. When you put the pudding mix in, just know it is a lot thicker, so don't be alarmed. At least I hope it's supposed to be this thick, but that's what it looks like. And it just, like, it's just pretty thick. Not runny like at all. It's preheated. We are going to put this in and bake it for 30 minutes. Perfect. Crimson, you can't try this one.
Why?
Because it's coffee. But maybe we'll just have to have hot cocoa later or something. But you can help mommy make this. Time to make some instant coffee. Instant coffee. I don't know if there's like a specific kind you're supposed to get, so I just got this Organics instant coffee. I got it from Safeway. So we're using that, and then all you need besides that is sugar and hot water. And it's equal parts of everything. It's so easy. I'm not even going to show you the TikTok video. I'm sure you've seen it. I'm actually doing 4 tablespoons. Depending on if my husband wants some, I'm going to do 4 tablespoons of everything. If he doesn't want any, I think the single cup measurement is like 2 tablespoons.
Can we clean?
Can we clean? Man, I raised you well. I'm gonna brew some water in my Keurig. So I'm gonna do 2 or 4 tablespoons of this right now. Granulated sugar. So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of this. 4 tablespoons of water. Let's start whipping it. Okay, so I think it worked perfectly. Look at that. If I can get it off of this. Oh my gosh. It is so, it's so thick and frothy. So first I'm gonna put some ice in those glasses and then fill it with milk almost to the top, and then you put half of this in each cup and you're good to go. So let's do it. It's nice and mixed now. Let's see how this tastes. What? I was not expecting it to actually taste that good. It just tastes like something you would get at Starbucks, like an iced coffee drink. Highly recommend this. There's a coffee See's candy sucker that my mom used to be obsessed with when I was a kid, and it tastes just like that. Just like that. So if you like See's candies, especially their coffee sucker, then you're gonna love this. Moving on to the third out of 4. Third item. This girl claims that these are the best buffalo cauliflower bites you will ever have, and I have to say I've never even had any, but I've also seen another YouTuber try this out and she said they were really good. Her TikTok name is @LauraOdegaard, and she actually does a lot of fun videos trying different fun healthy snacks out. A lot of them are healthy, but they look delicious. Seems pretty simple, so let's watch the video and see how she makes them.
This is the best buffalo cauliflower recipe that you're ever gonna have. Chop your cauliflower into little florets and then mix equal parts flour and water. I'm just doing half a cup. And then you want to add some seasoning. I'm using garlic, smoked paprika, and a little celery salt. Then you're going to mix it up. It should look about like this. It should be a little bit thick. And then you're just going to coat all of the pieces in the batter. You can also just dump the whole thing in the bowl and mix it all together. And then you are gonna pop them in the oven at 450 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and they'll come out looking like this, slightly golden brown. Then you toss them in buffalo sauce, and then you bake them again, and you wanna bake them a second time because this is what makes them super crispy and delicious and actually taste like a cauliflower wing. They're so good. Let me know if you try.
So I'm going to preheat the oven to 450 now, and we will start to make these. All right, so we are making our batter for the cauliflower. I just chopped up half of a like really big head of cauliflower into little bite-sized pieces. And then I have half a cup of water. She said it's equal parts flour and water. I'm doing exactly what she did, and I'm doing half a cup of each. And then you just add seasonings, and you add just however much of the seasoning you want. Thank you for being my little helper. Now I'm gonna pop this in the oven for 25 minutes, and then there is another step we'll have to do. So she's icing the cake. We still haven't tried it, obviously, but we gotta put the frosting on and the sprinkles. 18 minutes left for the buffalo. Our mommy ate so many chicken wings when I was pregnant with you.
And you ate them in your tummy cheek and you gave me them.
Yep.
Alright, just a little bit more, I promise.
So she's gonna try mommy's favorite snack. Are you ready? So my favorite weird snack is these Hawaiian Maui. They're the sweet Maui onion chips by Hawaiian brand. And then the only other thing you'll need is some cottage cheese. I always get the red one, which is 4% milk fat, and it's the small curd. That's it. That's all you need. Let's see if you like it. Do you like it? You do? Like the chips are like obviously very like sweet and savory, and I honestly couldn't tell you what the cottage cheese is doing for me with this combination, but it just works. Just try it and thank me later.
Give me a bite.
I was telling them that if she likes it, I feel like anybody will like
give me
it, because
this.
she's pretty picky.
Good?
Oh, you are the clumsiest child, I swear.
It's good, baby.
Good. We did it at the same. This is what our finished cake looks like. Ooh, it's gonna fall. Here, take this bite. You'd be the first one. Tell mommy if you think it tastes different than regular chocolate cake, because there's a whole packet of chocolate pudding in this.
Good. It's so good.
You can taste the pudding. Good job, baby.
It's definitely a lot more moist and soft on the inside. I know some people hate that word, but it is. It's a lot more moist and just like super fluffy and soft on the inside. It doesn't hurt to put a pudding packet
You don't need it.
in your cake every time you make one, because it's really good.
More.
I baked it for 30 minutes in a square 8x8 pan. The buffalo bites are done! Okay, so we're keeping the oven on because we are baking them a second time. Next step, we're gonna take the Frank's Red Hot Wings hot buffalo sauce and drizzle some of this all over the wings, mix them up again, put them back on to the sheet pan, and then put them back in the oven for, for 10 more minutes, and then they should be done. I am gonna take a few out for Crimson to try without the buffalo sauce, because they're gonna be pretty spicy. She literally just eyeballs it, so I'm gonna do the same thing. So now I'm gonna pop these back in the oven for 10 minutes. Done! These look so good! So this is what mine looks like.
This is mine.
There you go. Perfect. Hers has no sauce on it, so I'm gonna dip mine. Let's try it.
Hot.
Mine's not hot.
Hot, hot.
Hold on while I eat all of these.
This one.
These are so good.
I love the cake most in this because it's so yum. I can eat all of it because it's so yummy.
I feel like I could have put a lot more buffalo sauce on them. They're actually not that spicy, but my spice tolerance is really high. Let's see what he thinks.
Don't eat.
That's pretty gross. I'm out.
Don't listen to him, he's crazy.
Nope.
I think they're so good, and so does she. Crimson likes it. If you're vegetarian, I think this is a great alternative to buffalo wings. If you don't love cauliflower and you don't love vegetables for that matter, probably not gonna be your thing. All right, you guys, that was our video today. We finished all of our snacks. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make, wasn't it? We had a lot of fun, and I personally liked all of it.
I like only the cake, so thumbs up for the cake.
So out of the 3 new things that I tried, I would have to say I loved the cauliflower the most.
Comment down below when your favorite is gonna be. So bye, I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Comment down below what you think your favorite is going to be.
Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.